There are a few different materials used for welding PPE and for important reasons. Today I'll walk you through the different materials and how they apply to your daily tasks. Due to the welding hazards like heat, sparks, and spatter, protection for your torso is a must. Our Caiman and Ironcat leather jackets and FR Cotton options will give you the best protection from those hazards. Here's an Ironcat 7005 jacket. Like most welding jackets, it's made with a cow split leather. This is a great option for stick and MIG welding as well as grinding applications. This type of jacket is a tried and true industry standard. Now let's take a look at the Caiman Borehide jacket. This jacket is that next step up for welders looking for additional performance and comfort. This is achieved using Borehide, a garment-grade pigskin leather. When you look at the leather up close, you'll notice that the fibers are naturally tighter than cow split. It's that tight formation that provides the strength. Borehide is naturally less hairy than cow split. This low nap helps molten metal to shed off instead of sticking to the surface. Also, Borehide is naturally breathable and elastic, which further enhances comfort in a garment that can be uncomfortable given the harsh working conditions of a welder. Moving on to our FR Cotton options, the Ironcat FR Cotton garments are commonly used in less demanding environments. Here we have the Ironcat 7040 and the 7050. Both jackets are made with the 9-ounce FR treated cotton, but the 7040 is made with a twill fabric, where the 7050 is made with a sateen fabric. When comparing the two fabrics, sateen is more durable than the twill. Also, it's not as coarse, so it's likely to be more comfortable. But both are great lightweight options for applications where the leather jacket is a bit too much. Be sure to visit our website to find out all the welding protection options by Caiman and Ironcat.